Okay, so made it back down. Didn't nearly die, which is good. So I'm over in this far corner, which is in and of itself is beautiful. There's beautiful light coming down through. So trying to capture is this. Got all that. I'm just checking my edges. I've got a lovely stream of water coming down here. I'm not level right now, but I soon will be. I guess that's level. Okay. I love this this head. I think I'm wide. Yeah, I'm as wide as I can get. So I want to get the shape of these rocks in here. This is just fantastic. And I may actually bounce some flash up in a little while. ISO 64 f8, 4 seconds. So let's see how that goes. Nice. Try again. Nope, not quite. So what I may have to do is just stack. Oops, sorry. I may have to just stack some exposures. We'll see. Oh, interesting. Alright, that's pretty cool. Now some detail stuff. If you can afford a decent mic, I recommend it. Because the clip on this one is just as annoying as shit. So don't stand. No. Alright, I'm not going to be able to film and record this. It's just too technically difficult. My hands are cold. Extremely cheap. The mic itself doesn't have cheap ass fucking crocodile clip that comes with it. Oh my god. It's god awful. Alright. Anyway. We'll give that a try. Might be some good footage there. So I did some detail stuff. There's so many wonderful shapes in here. I'd love to a little bit cheeky, but I'd love to put some semi-coloured lights in here. I'll just try and hang out all day and see what colours emerge as the sun comes over and hits everything. Fuck. Put my goddamn tripod in. These are the joys of working very crowded places. Like there's some people crowd. It's a special place. So I really hope those images come out nicely. That's better. Alright. What we've got to do is slide back down the ice on our wet ass. Hopefully not too fast. And see what we got here. Try and get this freaking mic back on. Like I say, the mic itself it's fine. Just a stupid ass clip, which is, excuse me, so poorly designed. It just makes it really difficult to actually use, even when my hands aren't frozen. And bear in mind, this is July 8th. But yeah, even when my hands aren't frozen, it's really yeah. So we're just gonna do it this way because I can't safely. Yeah, I can't safely even try to walk down here. But I got one log there I can jam into, and then I might be able to stand. But all the grip I've got is just on, forget that. All the grip I've got is just on mud and pine needles that are actually on top of the ice. So that's not really a safe option either. Okay. Alright. But yeah, beautiful spot. Beautiful spot. And this is a lot of stuff to be carrying down here. Anywho, we'll get out of here in one piece. We'll survive. And hopefully those images will be worth it. Almost out. Alrighty. Just This rock's actually pretty grippy, but it's very wet. Apart from frozen hands and a very wet bum, frozen, soggy underwear, we're good. We survived just fine. Yeah, we'll take a look at these images and we'll see. But it's a glorious spot. If you're going to come up here and try and get some shots, I very highly recommend coming up early. Like I say, we probably hit the bottom of the pass about 6. And I was up here at the Grottos by 6:30, give or take. And yeah, so far no one else here.